This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kurt Swanson. What a comfortable floor plan in this one level, no stairs, condominium in 55+ Cordata Park neighborhood. There's 3 bedrooms and 2 baths plus a spacious kitchen and living room featuring a 2-sided gas fireplace. Summer is coming so you can enjoy the sun on your private deck, but you'll be all set when it gets hot because there's AC. Don't worry about the exterior. The association takes care of all that, and just last month they installed a new 30-year roof. The garage is a spacious 2-car and has a handy utility sink for cleanups. The community clubhouse is nearby and offers a kitchen, library and the community mailboxes. The neighborhood is very walkable and close to so many amenities, including the brand new city park just to the south. For more information,